Oh, hello guys, welcome back. Sorry about the low energy because I'm kind of sleepy, but yeah, go to the back end part. So it's just a simple and small back end application. And yeah, I've used NodeJS for this one, just the JS uh, files. I didn't use TypeScript for this one, just a simple project. But yeah, you can use TypeScript if you want. First in our package JSON is yeah, we just have two scripts. Oh, by the way, I forgot here the readme. I made the upload chart. So let's discuss this first. So here they start, then signals, I mean inputs, WebSocket signals. So these are this format, so a JSON format, the inputs. I mean in the form of string, so JSON stringify. And here we will process it. So JSON.parse, and we will have a decision for this one. This is our unique identifier, which is also stated here in our small theory. This one. We only have two. So is emit equals to and latest equals to. So if this is two is emit, so it will store to the database the message. Then if this is two, decide latest, it will get the data from our database, then emit to all clients. And yeah, and let's go back to the code. Here again, two scripts, dev, node1, and start. And we only have four dependency. So WebSocket, yeah, I used for this one is I used WebSocket. Then my first IoT is I used Socket IO. Yeah, Socket IO library in the Arduino is already deprecated. Where's that library? This one. This was the library I've used in my previous IoT. So yeah, it says here that it's deprecated. Then you can just use the WebSockets, the Arduino. So yeah, that's why I used WebSocket for this one. Then Mongoose for our database, Koa for our server. Yeah, that env. Did I use env here? Yeah, I guess you can uh, remove this one if you want. That env for our yeah env files. Then async exit hook. Yeah, for our application to have a graceful shutdown. So the process will be left running. That's the purpose of this one. And yeah, we will just go to each directory. So for this one, data, obviously connection to our database. So just two functions, start and stop. So the start, yeah, it will connect to the database, then stop, yeah, disconnect, then export the functions. Oh yeah, I've used that env here, this one. If you want to, I mean, to override this one, the default value. So you just have to pass your Mongo URI in environment variable. Then here in our functions folder, so yeah, we have only two queries. So the insert and get the latest message. So just a basic model create from Mongoose. Model create, then this one find one. So we will just get the message field. I will select the message field, then start descending by this field, updated up, then limit by one. It's just a basic query. And yeah, export the function. Here in our server is our WebSocket server. I mean the server.js. Here's our WebSocket. First, the imports WebSocket from this package here. Then our two functions from this file here. yeah, so we only have two variables. This one, the server and the WSS variables. So for the constructor is, yeah, you will just pass your server to initiate this class here. And yeah, it will be stored to this variable, this one. And here in our start function, yeah, console log this starting WebSocket server. Then create a new WebSocket server. Uh, package here. And the server will be the one you have passed here in the constructor. And this line of code here on connection. So when there is a client that has connected to our server, we just console log this one. Then if the client emit a message to the server, so we run this block of code here. Yeah, console log receive the data here. And yeah, as I've said earlier, it is in JSON stringify. So we will parse the JSON, and we will store it in this variable. So again, here in our chart, back here. So here is our unique identifier. So this one, emit and latest. If the received data has this property is emit equals to, so it will insert to the database, and then this block of code here, broadcast function. So it will just send to all clients except the sender. So for example, we have 3 clients here. If the first client is the sender, so 2 and 3 will receive the message, but not the first client. So that's the broadcast. That's what it does here. And here in the latest, if latest equals to, then get the latest message from our database. Then get the message. Yeah, we have selected the message here in this function. Then send to all clients. This is this is here is sent to all clients. This one is a broadcast except the sender. So yeah, that's it here in our WebSocket server. And yeah, for this step is it's just a simple, close all connections. It will disconnect all clients from this server. Yeah, again, clients for each socket, then socket close. This is the graceful disconnection of our clients. Then this is like a force disconnect. So socket terminate. Then close the WebSocket server. So that's it for this class here. Then here in our server, the service.js, again, 2 functions, start and stop. Then for the imports, this one, so POA for our server, WebSocket from this one, database from here. Then import the server from this built-in HTTP module. The next is, we will initialize our variables. So server, new server, then WebSocket. And then WS for this WebSocket server. Then initialize our app from POA. And start database for these are just from the COA npm page. Just copy and paste the default snippets, code snippets. Then you can find this one here, the npm. Then initialize our WebSocket server, then start, which is this function here. Start. Then just return the server. Then for our stop function, close the WebSocket server, which is this function here. Then database stop. Then close our server. Then we'll just export this one to be used by the endpoint of our server. This one. Again, async exit hook for graceful shutdown. Then our start and stop from this service.js. Then here is a delay function. Run the start command, function. Then here's the exit hook. So yeah, that's it. That's it for our backend server. So on the next part is we will go to this one, our front end. So see you guys there.